Namaste everyone and welcome to LPT IP MAT. और कहाँ? If you want to prepare for IP MAT, LPT is the name. I'm Shruti Tiwari and I welcome to the class for Parajumble. Parajumble actually एक दुखती नस बन गई है, isn't it? कि कितनी भी कोशिश करें पार नहीं पाया जा रहा. You've started taking mocks, you've started appearing for mocks, and now IP MAT is round the corner. And something which is troubling you कि वो एक ऐसी ऐसी इट्स अ बिटर पिल कि जो ना निगलते बन रही है ना उगलते बन रही है. भाई टीटा पैराजिम्बल्स हैं, जीरो नेगेटिव मार्किंग है, छोड़ते नहीं बनता पैराजिम्बल्स को, बट देन इट ईट्स अवे लॉट ऑफ टाइम and obviously gives 0 marks. So बहुत सारे questions छूट जाते हैं उसके चक्कर में. So it's a problematic thing. So let's handle this straight away and let's understand how to deal with the situation so that जब mocks दे रहे हैं तो पैराजम्बल्स को अच्छे से solve कर पाए and you come to the correct answer. Because it's a theta question, obviously the entire sequence you have to make and that takes a lot of time. We'll cut that time short and we'll understand how to ensure accuracy in Parajumble. So welcome to the class of Parajumble. Let's get started. So these are certain instructions which we'll follow and we'll solve these questions together. PYQs लेकर आई हूँ मैं और साथ में solve करेंगे, apply करके देखेंगे कि ये tips और tricks actually में काम करते हैं या नहीं. ठीक, कहीं मैं हवा में बात तो नहीं कर रही हूँ. We'll understand that. So the first thing is you look for the topic or theme of the paragraph and you will not read superficially. That's the number one mistake which students do. They start solving parajumbles as in they are solving a grammar question or a vocabulary question. No, not at all. You'll have to read properly. You have to understand the theme, the topic of that paragraph, and then only you'll be able to have that logical flow. Every author has a logical flow in his writing and that you have to understand. And for that, superficial reading doesn't work. ऊपर से पढ़ लिया और फिर कीवर्ड्स जो है वो क्लू वर्ड्स जो हैं जिनको कि कुछ लोग कनेक्टर्स बोलते हैं, कुछ लोग हिंट वर्ड्स बोलते हैं, उनको बस उठा लिया और कनेक्ट कर दिया. नो, दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क इन एटलीस्ट आईपी मैट इंदौर. जिप मैट में हो सकता है काम करते हैं लेकिन आईपी मैट इंदौर में वो काम नहीं करता. ठीक है. सो हियर यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द लॉजिकल फ्लो एंड फॉर दैट द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज read the parajumble properly. Take time in reading that parajumble. Understand the topic or theme of that paragraph. Second step is try to find the opening sentence or closing sentence of that paragraph. What sentence is introducing the topic? You have to search that and that's very easy to identify कि कौन सा sentence जो है वो introduce कर रहा है topic को या कौन सा sentence है जो close कर रहा है topic को. ठीक है. So either of it you can identify. Then you should look for verbal hints and clue words like noun pronoun का link होता है, कुछ connectors होते हैं, कुछ conjunctions होते हैं जैसे however, but, although, and, also, too many, too, TOO. तो ये बहुत सारे words हैं जो हमें मालूम पड़ते हैं, prepositions हैं, pronouns हैं, conjunctions हैं जो हम identify कर पाते हैं. You'll be able to connect them. ठीक है. But don't just rely on solving the parajumble only on this. Check and read for smooth flow of idea. This is last step but very crucial. Once you have identified that okay, according to me this should be the flow of this parajumble, this is my answer. With that answer in your hand, read it according to whatever flow or whatever sequence you have in mind so that you can ensure that yes, the flow of idea is smooth. There is no abrupt ending or abrupt blockages in the flow of the idea. So you should always reread it and then only jump to the next question. But all the steps have to be followed in within 60 to 90 seconds. That means 1 to 1.5 minutes, not more than that. Alright. So do not spend too much of time. Do not get stuck in solving one parajumble. Alright. Let's see. So these are the steps which I want you to follow. The first step is read all the sentences in the given order to identify the topic or the theme. What is the main theme, main topic of the paragraph? Then identify the opening and the closing sentence. Keep in mind, step number 2 is identifying the introductory sentence or the opening sentence. Third is look for verbal hints, linking words, and then make mandatory pairs or logical pairs. All right, which sentence follows which sentence, these kind of pairs you can make. Then check for logical flow of idea and avoid getting stuck. Move on is the mantra for parajumble. You should not stuck in parajumble solving. Otherwise, you'll not even realize when you have solved, when you have actually passed 5 to 7 minutes solving just one parajumble. So that is something which I want you to avoid completely. So these are the 5 steps which we will be following while solving these PYQ questions. So I'm sure you are along with me. When the screen shows you the question, pause the video for a second, or not a second, pause the video for some time and then solve the parajumble, and then we can have discussion on that. All right, so we'll solve along. So this is the first question from IPMAT. Pause the video, read the sentences and then solve it. I cannot have that much of time for this, so I am continuing with the discussion. So the first step is read all the sentences as they are given properly. However, they stand out because they help the filmmaker realize his personal artistic vision. An indie film refers to independent films made outside a major studio system. Their release is also limited to a few screens, although there have been films with a wide release. Most of such films are low-budget films produced and distributed by small companies. Now the second step is identifying the opening sentence and trying to identify the topic. So what is the topic? Topic is films. So such films, they help the filmmaker. So it is talking about a certain kind of films which is helping the filmmakers. It is low budget films produced and distributed by small companies. So what is the topic? This is the topic. Now let's identify the opening sentence. At times there are opening sentences which are easy to identify, and at times it is the closing sentence which is easy to identify. Whichever is convenient, you should go for that. Reverse में भी हम link को कर सकते हैं. So here it is very clear that 2 is the opening sentence because it is saying an indie film. Whenever we are introducing something, we use the infinite article a or an, and that is where we identify that this is talking about a certain kind of film which is an indie film, which refers to independent films made outside a major studio system. All right, so we have understood that this is the opening sentence. Now let's link the words or verbal hints. This is saying, however, they stand out because they help the filmmaker realize his personal artistic vision. Their release is also limited to few screens. So low budget films produced, distributed by small companies, these are limitations. And then 3 also is talking about the limitations to a few screen, although they have been films with wide release. And this is saying, however, they stand out because. So it is going beyond those limitations. So we understand that you have to start with 2. That's the opening sentence. Most of such films, so independent films, most of such films are low budget. Their release is also limited. So it is continuing with that limitation. And how these films are bypassing or going beyond those limitations to stand out, it is given by 1. So very clearly the flow should be 2, 4, 3, 1. But I warn you, do not submit answers like this. First, ensure that whatever logical flow you have decided, whether it is actually logical or no. Let's read it with this sequence. An indie film refers to independent films made outside a major studio system. Most of such films are low-budget films produced and distributed by small companies. Their release is also limited to a few screens, although there have been films with a wide release. However, they stand out because they help the filmmaker realize his personal artistic vision. very smooth flow of idea from what is an indie film, what are the limitations of these films, and beyond those limitations, however, they are able to justify the director's personal artistic vision. So perfect answer, and you are sure that the answer is correct. Let's move to the next question. In the past, companies with international aspirations simply familiarize themselves with any differences in the legal system or in the procedures used in day-to-day business of imports and export. Modern trade, however, demands more from companies. Today, the company seeking international success must also understand the people who live and work in countries they deal with, how they think, behave, and do business. To succeed in today's global marketplace, it is essential to learn as much as possible about conditions in overseas markets. So, very, very clear that this paragraph is talking about market understanding, especially in today's global marketplace, and what these companies are expected to do. What in past these companies used to do, and now what this trade, modern trade, is expecting from the companies. So what should be introducing the topic? Is the topic about companies? No, the topic stands or it gets introduced by the fourth sentence, saying that to succeed in today's global marketplace, it is essential to learn as much as possible about conditions in overseas markets, isn't it? So in past, companies with international aspirations simply familiarize themselves with any differences in legal system. तो पास्ट में केवल इतना ही सीखना जरूरी था, क्या लीगल सिस्टम्स क्या है, डिफरेंसेस क्या है और प्रोसीजर्स क्या है. लेकिन आज थोड़ा सा ज्यादा डिमांड है. वो क्या? The company seeking international success must also understand the people who live and work in countries they deal with, how they think, behave, and do business. So, beyond procedures and legal systems, what is required today is going beyond that, understanding people. And because this is talking about modern trade, and this is stating, however, obviously it relates with the fourth sentence. To succeed in today's global market, it is essential to learn as much as possible about conditions in overseas markets. In past, companies with international aspirations simply familiarize themselves. However, modern trade demands more from companies now. And what is that? Today, the company seeking an international success must also understand the people who live and work in countries. So, very clearly, मतलब बहुत कचरा हो गया था. Now, let's now understand that this is the opening sentence. It is introducing the topic. It is talking about today's global markets. Then it is saying that previously what was the only requirement? However, what is required now is much more. And what is that requirement is stated in 3. So we have these key clue words. In past, it was only familiarizing with legal system and procedures. Now it is about people, they behave, do business, everything has to be understood. So it should start with 4, move to 1, then coming to 2, then coming to 3. Can I have any other sequence? Say for example, can we go with 4, 2, 1, 3. Can we have a sequence of 4 and 2? Think about it. If I have however here, when will I use however? Halaki, when I'm contradicting the previous sentence, isn't it? But is the second sentence contradicting the fourth sentence? No, they are almost saying the same thing, that the international markets now demand much more, isn't it? So I have to introduce this previous experience of companies which was very, very limited, and now however things have changed. So it is very, very important that I go with 4123 and not 4213. So ऐसा जब कंफ्यूजन हो एग्जाम में तो क्या करना है, उसको रीड करके देखना है दैट जो सीक्वेंस तुम्हारे दिमाग में, अगर 2 सीक्वेंस है, 3 सीक्वेंस है, जो भी सीक्वेंस तुम्हारे दिमाग में, read the paragraph according to your preferred sequence and decide for yourself whether it works or no. So let's see. Fourth says, to succeed in today's global marketplace, it is essential to learn as much as possible about conditions in overseas markets. In past, companies with international aspirations simply familiarize themselves with any difference in legal system or in the procedures used in day-to-day business of import and export. Modern trade, however, demands more from companies. Today, the companies seeking international success must also understand the people who live and work in countries they deal with, how they think, behave, and do business. So you are very sure about this, that this is a correct answer. Alright, so this is ensuring speed along with accuracy. You are not getting defeated by your own clues. So we are not rushing in answering the questions. We are reading this paragraph at least for 2 to 3 times, but identifying the logical flow of the paragraph, and that is what is required in IPMAT Indore. Let's move to the next question. Alright. I hope you have solved this question now. You have read at least. Read along with me and then we'll solve it together. Mental illness continues to struggle for recognition as a significant contributor to poor health in spite of the existence of Mental Health Care Act 2017. The data reveals that an estimated 1 in 7 Indians or 197 million persons suffer from mental disorders. Just talking mental illness, mental disorders. There is always more to human health that meets the eye. So it is talking about in general human health. This is particularly important in the Indian culture and political context where the outward appearance of physical well-being is often considered the only visible marker of overall health. So very clear distinction that these two sentences are talking about overall health while these two sentences are talking about mental illness and mental disorders. So you have to identify that what should introduce the entire topic. Obviously, we move from a general topic to a specific illness, isn't it? So first we'll be talking about the overall health of people and what is the idea behind that, and then we'll be moving towards a specific problem in that, and that is mental illness. So let's understand what is the opening sentence. There is always more to human health than meets the eye. This is particularly important in Indian culture. So this is the opening sentence. In general, we are talking about human health. ह्यूमन हेल्थ में शरीर से बाहर भी या उसके बियॉन्ड भी बहुत कुछ है. जो हमें आंखों से दिख रहा है उसके बियॉन्ड भी बहुत कुछ होता है. बहुत अच्छी स्किन, बहुत अच्छे हेयर, बहुत अच्छे टीथ होने के बावजूद भी इंसान की मेंटल हेल्थ हो सकता है कि बहुत तकलीफ में हो, खराब हो. पर्टिकुलरली इंपॉर्टेंट कहां पर बता रहा है वो, इंडियन कल्चर और पॉलिटिकल कॉन्टेक्स्ट में, जहां पर की फिजिकल वेलबींग इज ऑफन कंसिडर्ड ओनली विजिबल मार्कर. सो वी हैव दिस 3 and then followed by 4. Now, mental illness continues to struggle for recognition as a significant contributor to poor health in spite of existence of Mental Health Act of 2017. The data reveals that an estimated 1 in 7 Indians suffer from mental disorders. So it should be 1 and then followed by 2. Before 2, we have to have 1 because we are talking about data reveals. So unless we have a study or something, which is talking about mental health, we cannot have a data which is revealing these figures. So let's understand whether we have this correct sequence or no. There is always more to human health than meets the eye. This is particularly important in the Indian culture and political context where the outward appearance of physical well-being is often considered the only visible marker of overall health. Mental illness continues to struggle for recognition as a significant contributor to poor health. In spite of the existence of Mental Health Care Act of 2017, the data reveals that an estimated 1 in 7 Indians suffer from mental disorders. So we have absolutely correct answer in hand. Now, I'm sure after discussion of these three questions, you have understood that rushing in solving Parajumble is the biggest mistake you were doing. So, do not rush, read the paragraph and the sentences properly, understand the logical flow and the topic which the author wants to talk about. You will hardly ever do any error in identifying the sequence. It's not that tough. Especially if you're an avid reader, you will never face problems. It's only when we are trying to get into short tricks, solving things by some kind of jugaad, that we fall flat on our nose. All right. So let's try our hands on another question. I'm sure these questions and the discussion is helping you. If you like the video, if you have understood the problem, if you are able to diagnose where you are going wrong, please give a good thumbs up to this video. All right. I love to have comments from you. I love to hear from you what problems you are facing in Parajumble. Do write in the comment box. Let's understand what the question is talking. It was felt that the major polluters had a moral obligation to deliver on the agreement reached some years ago during a similar convention on climate change. The papers presented indicated that the impact of current warming are much more severe than previously understood. It appears that the planet's ability to adapt to and cope with how it is being treated is fraying. For example, the acceleration of sea level rise and ocean warming and increasing risk of reaching limits to adaptation. This is what emerged at a recent conference attended by the largest scientific community on climate science. So by reading these sentences, we are able to understand that the topic which is discussed by the author is climate science. So where is it getting introduced? Where is the issue of climate change getting introduced? See for yourself, it appears that the planet's ability to adapt to and cope with how it is being treated is fraying. Fraying means कमजोर होता है, चला जा रहा है, बहुत ज्यादा तकलीफ बढ़ती चली जा रही है. इसी चीज को एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ इसने फोर्थ में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ सी लेवल राइज एंड ओशन वार्मिंग and increasing risk of reaching limits to adaptation. So this is really very clearly related to each other. So we have 3 as an opening sentence followed by 4. This is a mandatory pair, or you can say these are 2 linked sentences. Now this is what emerged at a recent conference. At a recent conference, the papers presented, it was felt that major polluters had a moral obligation. So it was felt in obviously that conference. So without introducing this conference, I cannot have 1 and 2. So I have to have 5 before 1 and 2. This is what emerged at a recent conference attended by the largest scientific community on climate science. The papers presented indicated that the impact of current warming are much more severe than previously understood. And then we can have, it was felt that major polluters had a moral obligation to deliver on the agreement reached some years ago during a similar convention on climate change. So this is concluding. Why is it concluding? Because it is talking about moral obligation. That means people who are polluters, they have moral obligations for clearing it out. They should be coming up with some kind of solution to this problem. So we should have first 2 and then followed by 1. Let's read in the same sequence. What is the sequence here? It appeared that planet's ability to adapt and to cope with how it is being treated is fraying. For example, the acceleration of sea level rise and ocean warming and increasing risk of reaching limits to adaptation. This is what emerged at a recent conference attended by largest scientific community on climate science. The papers presented indicated that the impact of current warming are much more severe than previously understood. It was felt that the major polluters had moral obligation to deliver on agreement reached some years ago. So you have a very clear, smooth, logical flow, and hence you're sure that this answer is absolutely correct. All right. So let us understand that what are we supposed to and what are we supposed to follow while solving a parajumble. First, you should be solving at least 5 to 7 questions daily. It is very important that you do not overdo it, and it is important that you should not be skipping it. All right, टीटा क्वेश्चंस है, स्किप करने का तो सोचना भी नहीं है, जो भी आए आंसर तो करना ही है, बट ओनली थिंग यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड इज यू शुड नॉट वेस्ट योर टाइम. All right. Second is, first read properly to identify the topic, the opening sentence, and the logical flow of the sentence. Then only go for verbal hints. Otherwise, these verbal hints will beguile you. They will confuse you more than giving you answers. ठीक है, सिर्फ and, but और however या नाम और pronoun को जोड़ते रहोगे तो it is not going to work very well in IPMAT Indore. Okay. Third is, obviously, you should not read superficially, you should not panic and read very quickly, but more important is you should not get stuck in solving any parajumble. Read it for 2 times. If you are not getting the crux of it, or if you are not getting the theme of it, topic of it, then whatever comes to your mind, make a sequence and move on. There are 5 parajumbles. Every parajumble is not doable. There are some parajumbles which are killers, time killers. So obviously you should be smart enough to move on. All right, so there will be at least 2 to 3 parajumble which will be easy, so take them, solve them and move on. ठीक है, so skip कोई भी क्वेश्चन नहीं करना है, लेकिन टफ क्वेश्चंस पे टाइम वेस्ट भी नहीं करना है, is something which you should be thorough with. Last thing is, you should never submit the answer before rereading the sentences in your preferred sequence, because that will ensure that हाँ smooth flow आ रहा है, you're confident. नहीं तो वो अगले क्वेश्चन में जब ग्रामर का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने जा रहे हो या पारा कंप्लीशन क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने जा रहे हो, वो कंफ्यूजन कैरी फॉरवर्ड हो जाएगा. So you should avoid that. All right. So all the best for your mocks and all the best for IPMAT. If you're preparing for IPMATs and you really want all the best quality mocks, do reach out to us at LPT IPMAT. All right, we are here to make your effort go and meet success. All the best. Bye.